from father of archaeology of India, Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization, 2350 to 1750 BC. It forms a part of prehistoric period of India. History belongs to the Bronze Age. It was centered around the Indus River with major centers Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Ropar, part of Lothai, Chanundra, Banwali, Izar, Balu, Chistan, CJ, RJ, Sindh, etc. They were Dravidians came Mediterranean Sea, Harappa, Ravi, Mondagomari, PB, Pak, Mohenjo-daro, Indus, Larkin, Sindh, Pak, Chanundra, Indus, Navabasha, Local, Bakar, Kadiyawar, Kalibanga, Kahar, Gangahar, RJ, Banwali, Saraswati, Hisar, HR, Dolvaria, Luni, Kutch, J, area 13 lakh square kilometer, application shape, triangular, 1920 excavation of IVC took place under Sir John Marshall. It is spread over Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Baluchistan, Rajasthan, Gujarat and friends of Western UP. In 1921, Harappa modern site was discovered in the province of Western Punjab on the back river of Ravi B. Dayasaran Sani. In Mondagomari district of Pakistan, 1922, Mohenjo-daro was excavated by R.D. Banerjee on the bank of river Indus in Largan district, Pakistan. Dwelling house, building live, terracotta, Rishi bone, clay in the has been backed. Social condition on urban society, middle class, high developed, civic life, division, labor on specialization of work. The shape of the script, pictorial, undescribed religious condition, no temple structure unearthed, but image worship was vague, mother goddess, lingam, yoni, people, tree were worshipped, believed in life after death. They buried death together with items as food, utensils, decline, IVC as invitation, Haryana flood, earthquake, ecological imbalance. Vedic age to know 1500 to 16 BC. Aryan came to India through Iran from Central Asia. They entered India stage and took several continuous bring their control. History of India. Indus Valley Civilization, 2500 BC to 1300 BCE. Vedic period, 1500 BC to 500 BCE. Mahajanapada kingdoms, Maurya Empire, 321 BCE to 185 BCE. Kushan Empire, 185 BC to 220 AD. Satvahana Empire, 230 BC to 220 AD. Gupta Empire, 320 AD to 535 AD. 1174. Rashtrakuta Dynasty Sena Empire 1072-1230. Hoysala Empire 1026-1340. Kaksaya Empire 1080-1323. Medieval India 1206-1526. Vijayanagara Empire 1336-1646. Gajapati Kingdom 1434-1521. Reddy Dynasty 1325-1448. Mughal Empire 1526-1857. Martha Empire 1674-1818. British Raj 1858-1941 AD. Independence 1947. Historian. Pyramids were built in 2500 BC. Christian God created the world in 4000 BCE. Hindutva Ram fought Ravana in 12,209 BCE. Jain Muniswaradhara lived in 11,94,980 BCE and was a contemporary Lord Ram.